the vector p equal to a I cap plus a j cap plus 3 k cap and q vector is equal to a I cap minus 2 j cap minus k cap are perpendicular to each other, then the positive value of a is. Here we have given two vectors which are perpendicular to each other, and we know if two vectors are perpendicular to each other, their dot product will equal to 0. So we will use concept of dot product in this question. If two vectors, if a vector and b vector are perpendicular, then their dot product will be equal to 0. That is, then a dot b is equal to 0. So we will use this concept in this question. Here, according to our question, we have given two vectors. That is, first one is p vector given as a I cap plus a j cap plus 3 k cap, and other vector is q vector, that is a I cap minus 2 j cap minus k cap, and it is given p is perpendicular to q. If p vector is perpendicular to q vector, then p dot q will be 0, means a I cap plus a j cap plus 3 k cap dot product with a I cap minus 2 j cap minus k cap will be equal to 0. So we will simplify this and we will get the value of a. So on further simplification, we will use the concept, that is coefficients of I cap, j cap, k cap can be directly multiplied. So here we will get a square plus second one a into minus 2, that will be minus 2a, and third it will be 3 into minus 1, it means minus 3 equal to 0. So equation will be a square minus 2a minus 3 equal to 0. We will getting a quadratic equation. Now we will solve this. It can be written as a square minus 3a plus a minus 3 equal to 0. On solving this, we will get a minus 3 a plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, we are getting two values of a, that is 3 or minus 1. But in our question, we have asked only the positive value of a. Therefore, answer of this question is 3. Thank you.